guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So today is day 2 of exploring Dubai. Till now I am really amazed with how this place is because just as it is how the people talk about it. By the way guys, please be hydrated. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink a lot of water. Now, today I'm going to visit the Dubai Frame. Heard a lot about it. I'm damn excited to visit it. And yeah, I'll keep on posting more. There are 2 more places that I'm going to visit today. You'll see that in the vlog. So stay tuned. And till then, you can just see the beautiful view out here. Finally, we have reached the Dubai Mall. So finally, I have reached to the Dubai Frame, one of the most visited places. You can see how beautiful this is. Amazing. Dubai Frame, guys, here it is. Guys, can see this?
What can I do with all these feelings that I'm feeling? Am I losing my mind? Am I to blame for what I'm dreaming?